Triple J Cleaning, we don't just clean, we restore your carpets to their best condition. Contact us today for a deep cleaning that speaks to itself. Our process begins with a thorough pre-spray designed to loosen dirt and stains. This ensures to treat even the most stubborn spots before we clean. Triple J at work, cleaning some stairs. Already pre-sprayed, now detailing with the drill. Getting that pre-spray worked in really good, so it'll be easy to extract any stains that are there. Finally, we use a powerful extraction tool, specializing in design for stairs. This step ensures that the loosening dirt and grime is pulled out, leaving your carpet fresh and clean and ready to use.